Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Some Fresh Boys Monarchs again. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to eat to an Indian restaurant. I don't know the area, but I think it's Trashville. Trashville is like a kind of city in Abidjan. We're going there. I'm going to take you guys along the way and show you guys how things going. This is eBay, you know. This is one of my brother in Ivory Coast here. Peace out.
Welcome to East Monarchs, the French boy.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
Yeah, so guys, we came here and you know they gave us the entree, like snacks, as granite. We have to snack on for the meantime and yeah, wait for the main course. That is, we ordered tandoori. You know, I miss tandoori chicken a little bit, tandoori with roti. So yeah, we about to test it and see how it is, the difference between tandoori in Ivory Coast and tandoori in India. Yeah. He doesn't know how to speak English, but you know, yeah, this is, you know, my homie here. He escort me everywhere. It's my, you know, it's my driver. Yeah, anyway, peace out. When the menu come, I will show you guys, or when the food come, I will show you guys. Yeah, peace. So guys, this is the tandoori here. This is the roti and this is the chutney. Yeah, I'm going to test and see how it tastes in Ivory Coast. Okay guys, we're done eating now. The food was amazing at Namaste India. Yeah, and yeah, we ate tandoori and 2 roti. Yeah, but why here is expensive? The problem here is expensive compared to India. The tandoori chicken or like the Indian food here is expensive. Yeah, so guys, my phone went off and yeah, the thing here is we done eating by the Indian restaurant. It was amazing. You know, the food was okay, not okay, it was good. We ate tandoori chicken, we ate 2 roti. Yeah, this guy appreciated. He never tastes Indian food. I took him to come here and taste Indian food. So now we're going back in our BMW. Peace out.
Now, I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the
Welcome to East Monarchs, the French boy.